Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into the world of voice cloning. It's a wild ride full of incredible tech, some spooky possibilities, and the measures in place to keep us safe. Buckle up. First, let's talk about the good stuff. Voice cloning technology has come a long way. Imagine being able to recreate a voice that sounds just like yours or someone else's with just a few minutes of recorded audio. Pretty cool, right? This tech can be a game changer for people who've lost their voice due to illness or injury, allowing them to speak again with a voice that feels familiar. It's also a fantastic tool for content creators, letting them produce high-quality voiceovers without spending hours in a recording studio. Now on to the not-so-great side. With great power comes great responsibility, and voice cloning is no exception. The technology is so good that it can be hard to tell a cloned voice from the real thing. This opens the door to some sneaky shenanigans like scammers using cloned voices to trick people into thinking they're talking to a trusted friend or family member. Imagine getting a call from what sounds like your mom asking for emergency cash, but it's actually a scammer using voice cloning tech. Yikes. And then there's the downright ugly. Beyond scams, there's the potential for serious harm. Imagine someone using a cloned voice to impersonate a public figure, spread false information, or commit fraud. The consequences can be pretty scary, from financial loss to damaging reputations and spreading misinformation. One of the most alarming scenarios involves the use of voice cloning to influence elections. Picture this: a deepfake audio clip of a candidate saying something controversial or damaging. Such tactics could mislead voters, sway opinions, and undermine the democratic process. It's a new frontier for election interference that authorities are scrambling to address. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. There are some smart folks working on ways to keep us safe. Here's how. Detection tools are being developed to spot whether a voice is real or cloned. These tools analyze patterns and inconsistencies that can give away a fake voice. Companies are working on voice authentication systems that go beyond just recognizing a voice. These systems can check for other factors like the context of what's being said to make sure the speaker is who they claim to be. Governments are starting to catch up too. New laws and regulations are being put in place to address the misuse of voice cloning technology, making it illegal to use cloned voices for fraud or deceit. Awareness is key. By knowing about the potential risks of voice cloning, you can be more vigilant. If something feels off about a voice you hear, take a moment to double-check before taking any action. Voice cloning is an amazing technology with tons of potential for good. But like any powerful tool, it comes with risks. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that by staying informed and supporting the development of protective measures, we can enjoy the benefits while minimizing the downsides. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.